Alright, this is the swarm hive. Actually, not a swarm hive, a cutout hive. And we're going to see what's going on in here today. Just sit down, frame. Try to pull the bucket here. Still got a little bit of feed in it. And still got a bit of feed. Looks like it's been leaking a little bit. And then this blue box is just a spacer, I believe. Yeah, a lot of leaking in there. Looks like they have definitely moved up to the top here. I gave them some comb. So let's, wow, this is a rotten box too. Let's pull this box off. There's the fondant that's been on here. Let's see if I can pull this big brick of fondant. Looks like they've been eating it a little bit. See what they've done in here. See if they've made any head waves. So this was a cutout that this was a cutout that I did on Labor Day weekend, and they really didn't have any resources in this colony when I started, so I gave them some syrup. Looks like they are putting some syrup away in here. I was just trying to see if they've done anything up here on the top, because they were only in the bottom there for a while. They are putting some weight on this box. Alright, so they are storing the syrup. That's pretty good. Alright, now this whole centerpiece is actually laid up with brood, with eggs. So that is helping them out. On that side. And there's the queen right there. She's up in the top box. So this should help them out a bit. Let me just grab this next frame. Don't want to squash her at all. So we'll make some room in here. Let's see what we've got over here. Bee bread. Looks like syrup. There are some eggs in here in the center as well. So she is trying to lay up what she can. That bee bread. they are doing what they can here. More bee bread, one hive beetle, 2 hive beetles that I see on this frame, and a bunch of pollen. Nothing on this frame. They've done nothing. Nothing really on that frame. Couple hive beetles on this one. Really not much in these middle ones. Let me see if I can give her some laying room in here, because she's kind of staying right to one side here. Gotten a bit of weight in it. So let's see what we've got going on in the bottom box here. Looks like they are working. There's the appy tablets. They are eating the appy tablets. Obviously I've crushed a few bees on the bottoms of frames. Try to avoid that. And let's see what we can see. I'll pull out this plastic frame. They really were having a time drawing some of these combs out, because as you can see, there's not much. Well, this one should do better. There's some pollen. There's some pollen in there. Beetle. They're doing pretty good. Look at that, that's nice. Foundationless, you can see all this new white comb they've built. Bunch of eggs, brood and larvae right in here. So that's pretty good. Let's see what they're doing on the other side. Same thing. This is pretty laid up on this side. So the queen is definitely working straight up and down here. Let's see if I can good job at this one. Queen cup, knock that down. Both sides doing pretty good on here. Look at that. That's nice. Done pretty good. They've got stores. A little bit of wacky comb there. A little bit of wacky comb on the bottom. See if I can knock some of that off. That not good. So shake that one off. And I just set down foundation. It has a bit of wax on it. And we're going to try to put that one in there and see if that helps them. That crazy comb. Just gotta throw another foundation in here. See if that helps them out. Got about 4 frames of brood in here. Right there. All right, so we put that one back together. They look like they're doing pretty good in their new place there. They've got plenty to raise some brood up, and hopefully they can get that built up. Looks pretty good though.